Welcome, in front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on this device. So before you start, I suggest that you plug in the charging cable into your laptop and keep it plugged in for the rest of the process, so that you don't break anything and everything stays safe on your laptop. Then open the Start menu and go to Settings from here. Then select System. Scroll down to Recovery section. Select it. And then in Recovery Options, find Reset this PC and click Reset PC next to it. Then you can choose an option between keeping your files and removing everything. Now, keeping your files only removes apps and settings, and everything else stays on your PC. So that's basically not even a factory reset, but rather a settings reset operation. So I suggest that if you want to perform a factory reset, you go with the second option. Then if you are connected to the internet, you will see the cloud download option, which will reinstall the fresh copy of a Windows from a cloud, which will take a lot more time than the usual reinstall, but it will provide you with the clean copy of your Windows. So if your files are corrupted, for example, then I'd surely go with the cloud download in such case, but it will take a lot more time and I don't need it right now, so I will go with the local reinstall, which will basically reinstall your Windows using your local files. Now in additional settings, let's go to change settings, and here we can switch this toggle between just removing your files, which is quicker but less secure, or cleaning the drive completely, which will make your device's files unrecoverable. So if you're willing to sell your laptop afterwards, for example, go with the yes option for sure. Now otherwise you can go with no option. This will perform the factory reset operation quicker. And the download Windows is basically the previous option, so you can either download Windows from the cloud and reinstall it, or reinstall Windows from this device, as I said before. Now I will go with both no's, simply because I want this video to be shorter, but you can apply this settings for your needs. Then click Confirm, click Next, and wait until Windows gets things ready for you. And once you are ready, again remember to keep your device plugged in through the rest of the process. If you didn't do that yet, then do it right now. And once you're ready, click reset and wait for your device to be fully reset. It will take a while. And at this point, the factory reset operation is complete. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.